Here with AT230. Today we got a 2018 Dodge Challenger Hellcat. We also have our shop right here behind us where we go ahead and do all of our work. We installed the 3H system, so it does have the height sensors on all four corners. It's also Bluetooth compatible, so you can download the app, get on your phone, you'll be able to have the controls for your ride heights. We already preset our ride heights. This is pretty much aired out now. When we want to get our drive height, we go ahead and hit our button and it'll air up to our ride height. In case you're going to go over some bumps or anything else, you can go higher than that and go to your lifted height. Now it's time to go for our test drive. If you need any air suspension, preventative maintenance, or installs, let us know and we can take care of you.